Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making lab shrimp, or in Lao it's called lab gung. I'm going to start off by cooking the shrimp. I'm blanching the shrimp, and it depends on how big your shrimp is. My shrimp took about a minute and a half to cook. Now I'm just rinsing off the shrimp to stop the cooking process. So this is how our shrimp is looking. It looks pretty nice and juicy and cooked. And now I'm going to take off the tails of the shrimp, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dicing up the shrimp after I take off all the tails. So we're going to start chopping it up to prepare it for our lab. I'm gonna prepare the fresh ingredients. I'm chopping up some cilantro and green onion. I'll have all the ingredients listed down below in the description box, so if you're interested, check that out down there so you can know the exact measurements of what I'm doing for my ingredients. So let's start seasoning our shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and start squeezing some lime, and I'm using about a lime and a half for this lab, but if you like your lab more sour, go ahead and add some more lime. The next ingredient that I'll be using is some pepper flakes. If you like it spicy like me, you can put a lot. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna adjust it once I taste it. And now I'm putting in the toasted rice, or in Lao it's called kokwa. I put about 2 tablespoons. You can add more if you like. Now I'm adding the herbs. I'm adding the cilantro and green onion that we sliced up. And then after that, I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I'm just eyeballing it, but you know, like I said, always adjust to your taste. Some people like it saltier, some people like it less salty, so you know, this is gonna be your dish, so make it the way you want it, because you're gonna be the one eating it. So I'm mixing everything up to combine all the ingredients at this time, and I'm gently just tossing everything together. So now it's time for me to add the mint into the lab, and I'm just gonna tear the mint leaves into there. I'm gonna tear all of my mint leaves and add that to the lab, and then I will be tossing everything together to combine the flavor. Once I have everything tossed together, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it to see if I need to adjust the flavor. So I tasted the lab, and I ended up making it a little bit spicier by adding some more chili flakes, and I added about a tablespoon, and I also added another tablespoon of kokwa, which is the toasted rice, and I'm also gonna add some vegetable stock into my shrimp lab, but you can add like you know, seafood stock, or even some chicken stock. The reason why I'm doing this is because I wanted my lab to be a little bit juicier, so that's why I went ahead and added some of that. And this is how our shrimp lab came out. It was so delicious, and it was nice and spicy. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please like and subscribe if you like this recipe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.